welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
My name is Mishka.
Okay. So Mishka, today we will learn the sound of vowel E. Okay. जब हम E बोलते हैं तो हमारा फेस कैसे बनता है? जैसे स्माइलिंग फेस होता है. फिर से बोलो. E. ऐसे लग रहा है we are smiling?
Yes.
Okay. And what is the sound of E? The sound of E is? No. The sound of E is A. Speak aloud.
What does this mean, ma'am?
It means थोड़ा जोर से पढ़ना है. Read this word and see what is the sound of each word and what is the sound of vowel E here. So what is the sound of H? H. A. N. Hand.
Let's move to the other one.
Now
Pen.
P.
Hand pen.
P.
Hand pen.
P.
P.
A.
A.
N.
No.
Pen.
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 Pen. Man.
M.
Ma.
A.
A.
N. Man.
Man. Pet. Oh, so adorable.
Yes.
Aren't they? And so cute.
Yes. Now read this word.
Wow.
P.
P.
A.
A.
T.
T.
Pat. N. N. A.
A.
T.
T.
Net.
Net. Net.
This word is G.
Ja.
A.
A.
T.
T.
Jet. And here is some exercise. Now the sound of E D.
E-D.
It's add.
Add.
अब हम जब इसको B के साथ ऐड करेंगे तो साउंड आएगा क्या?
Bad.
Bad. Rad.
Lad.
Lead.
Dad.
No, this is fad.
Feather.
Add.
Add.
Ted.
Dad.
And this is A-E-N. An. So this is
Hand.
hen,
Pen.
pen,
Men. Ten. Ben.
ben. Okay. This one is E-N-T. Ant. Ant.
Bent. Tent. Scent. Pants.
Spent.
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 Ma'am, what does
Repeat this. Spent.
Spent.
Now the next word E-L-L.
Bell.
L. This word is L. This
L.
sounds like L. And
Bell.
when we add this with the B, जब हम B के साथ
Bell.
ऐड करेंगे तो bell,
Bell.
cell,
Tell. Fell. Smell.
spell.
Spell.
Okay.
Oh, this is a game.
This is a phonic game. Some more exercise for us.
Yes.
Can you read this? E-S-T.
S.
Est.
I know what can this be.
Okay.
Nest.
This one is best.
Because the picture is nest.
Okay. This one is nest, rest,
Test. West.
vest. Okay.
S.
This
S.
is et. At.
I know what
So
can
the
this
word
be.
is
I know what can this be.
bat,
Bat, jet, let, mat, wet,
bat,
sat, wet,
bat. Okay, come to the next one. Egg, egg,
leg.
egg.
I know what can this be. Leg.
First word is bag,
Bag, leg, bag,
cake,
cat, mag, greg.
Greg. Okay.
Greg.
The last one. E-N-D. And.
And
So this word is and, band, bland, sand,
spend,
spend,
friend.
friend. Oh, we have a game here.
Yes.
Okay. Read out this sentence. The
The girl is playing with the
a
red plant.
red pen. So where is the girl playing here? She is playing with the red pen. Okay. Let's read this sentence. The
The
cow
is
is in
the
the
shed.
shed.
In the
Where
shed.
the
In the
cow?
shed.
Oh, this is the cow. Now read this sentence. The
The
bed
is
is near the wall. So where is the bed? Here. Oh, this is a chota beam.
Yes, I want to do like this.
Now the next sentence.
The hand has a
The
hand has
has
an
an
egg.
egg. Oh, here the
That
hand has
looks
hair.
like the egg is
Funny. It's look like funny. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
The egg look like it's a leg. It's a leg egg.
Okay.
Leg
Okay.
egg. Leg egg.
Oh,
Leg
the
egg.
next sentence. What is this sentence?
The piano
Peon
is ringing the bell.
bell. The peon is ringing the bell. Oh,
That
school
means
is over. School की छुट्टी हो गई? Yes? Okay. Oh, we have a matching word game. So now you have to match the words which rhymes. जो words एक जैसे हैं हमें उनको मैच करना है. क्या आप देख सकते हो इसमें आपको सेम लग रहा है?
मुझे
Which word you can match with each other? Pat with let, very nice. Dan with see the last one en and find where the en so that it can rhyme with the other one. Very nice. ten, tan. Test. Where is the rhyming word for test?
test the rest.
Rest. Very nice. Egg. Where is the rhyming word for leg? Oh, good. Well done. You matched all. आपने तो सारे match कर लिए. Very nice. Okay, so
And a
today we have completed the sound of E. So the last time, tell what is the sound of E is? A.
A.
Okay. So now it's time to go.
Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Meet you tomorrow.
Meet you tomorrow.
Subscribe my channel if you like.